Hi there, I'm Aaron with Leadferno, a conversion platform to close more leads faster, powered by text messaging. This video is looking at notifications. How do you know when you have new leads, replies, reminders, and more? Notification features in Leadferno are provided both for our desktop app through the browser and through our mobile apps through iOS and Android as well. Let's take a look. The first one we're going to look at are mobile notifications. Mobile notifications are the most robust set of notifications you could use, and if you have the opportunity, downloading and using the Leadferno app, even if you use it just for notifications on your mobile phone, is very powerful. First, you have the app icon badge that's on your phone, and so you'll see the little bubble with the number of new messages or new replies that you have within your Leadferno inbox. You understand when you have a new lead and get a push notification. You understand when you have a new lead assigned to you or a conversation assigned to you. You get a notification when you have a reminder on a conversation. And you can always pull up your notification center on your phone to see what notifications you've received in related to Leadferno. Now, you want to make sure your mobile notifications are set by going to your settings screen for notifications on your phone. So the device on the left is iOS, the device on the right is Android. Each of them have their own way to get to your settings, but make sure that you're allowing those notifications and you have them fine-tuned to the settings that you desire to receive these notifications. One option that we do have on mobile is just a text notification. Now, this is really just designed for users who are using the browser app, logging in through their desktop, but still want to get a mobile notification, but do not want the mobile app on their phone. So in this case, it will send you a text message that you have a new lead. It doesn't send a text for new replies, a conversation assigned to you, or anything like that. But it is a way, if you're only using the desktop version, to get a text message anytime you have a new lead in Leadferno. So once again, the mobile app provides the most amount of notifications using push notifications, but here is an option if you or your employees don't want to have the Leadferno app on your phone. When we look at the web app, it offers its own set of notifications for when you log in through any browser. First is going to be making sure that you allow notifications on your browser. So next to the URL, the web address where you're logging into Leadferno, click on that lock icon there. That will drop down your menu and allow you to make sure that notifications are turned on for your browser. Once that's set, there's a number of different locations that take place. One is your tab notification by what's called the favicon. That's the logo icon that you see in your browser tabs. When you have a new lead or you have a new reply, you're going to see a dot appear next to the flame within that browser. So if you're in a browser window and you have 2, 3, 5, 20 tabs open, you're going to see that dot letting you know that there's a new message, a new lead, a new response in Leadferno. The next is your browser notifications. Browser notifications come across your desktop screen no matter what other program you're working in, even when you're not directly in Leadferno. So you could be using another program like Microsoft Excel or be on another website, and you'll see that browser notification slide in, letting you know that there's a new reply in Leadferno and a preview of that content. You also have in-app notifications. So if you're working in Leadferno and say you're part of one conversation, you will get a pop-up on the screen that lets you know of a reply or a new lead coming in, even if it's not in the screen view or the conversation that you're currently looking at or interacting with. Lastly, if you have multiple profiles on your account, say you're a business with multiple locations, or you have multiple different departments that have different profiles, each using their own shared inbox, you're going to end up seeing a notification dot in your profile switcher, where you can click the little down arrow to switch profiles to move from one to the other. When you see that dot, that means that one of your profiles has a new lead or has a new reply that's come in. When you click that drop down, it'll now show you which of your profiles has that new lead or new reply, so you can go into that profile and inbox and reply to it. Now, in addition to these options that we've shown you for mobile and desktop notifications, you can also set up some additional options using Zapier. Zapier is a no-code integration tool, and just a couple of these examples would be setting up a notification to appear in Slack when you get a new lead in Leadferno. So maybe you and your team use Slack for your internal communication. You're able to set up a channel and have that new lead alert or new messages come into Slack so you can see that they're there. Another one would be setting up a new lead to trigger an email to be sent to you. So Zapier has an outbound email zap, so you can connect. So if you get a new lead or a message reply, it will email that information to you. So those are just a couple of the options. Again, with Zapier, you can connect to over 5,000 pieces of software. The options are limitless. These are just a couple of the main options that might make sense. So that's our look at notifications, both on the web and the mobile app. We hope you have them turned on and adjusted to just how you like, so you can quickly and easily find out about your new leads and replies in Leadferno.